Hi, I am Anuth. This is my project, a campaign management system made with JSP Servlet and MySQL. The main goal of this project is to build an enterprise level campaign management system. It helps organizations efficiently handle and resolve internal complaints and feedback, preventing delays and mismanagement. To maintain security, HTTP sessions are used after login. Each user is tracked through their session, and access to page is controlled based on their role. If the session is invalid or expired, users are redirected to the sign in page. Let's talk about sign up and sign in. The system starts with login with registration. Employees can sign up by entering their personal details. After that, they can log in using their username and password. The admin doesn't sign up. They have predefined account and can log in directly. This ensures secure and role-based access. Okay, let's register into the system as an employee and then log in using our credentials. After logging, the employee sees their own dashboard with only their complaints. They can add new complaint with title and description. If the complaint is not yet resolved by the admin, the employees can also edit or delete it. Okay, let's try it out now and see how it works. Now you can see complaint is successfully submitted. If you want to update your complaint before the admin reviews it, you should click this button and make necessary changes. Now you can see successfully updated that complaint. If you want to delete your complaint, you can delete button and click already delete button. Let's take a look at another employee for demonstrate purpose. The system filters the database on employee ID so no one can see another employee's complaints. Now you can see that this employee is viewing only their own complaints. Let's move into the admin dashboard. Once the admin logs in, they can see all complaints submitted by employees and all employees on dashboard. Each complaint shows details like employee ID, title, description, date, status, and the admin can update status as in progress, resolved, rejected. Also has the ability to delete any complaint if needed. If the complaint is complaint is marked as resolved, the employee can't edit or delete it, it becomes read only. If the complaint is in progress, employee can't edit it, but delete is still allowed. When I change this employee pending result to the in progress submitted. Let's check about employee. Now you can see in progress is status is in progress and action can't update. Let's talk about system architecture. This campaign management system uses MVC architecture to keep the code organization and easy to maintain. JSPs are in the view. Handles the user interface like sign up, sign in, dashboard, and contains forms only for displaying data and taking input. Servlets are in the controller. Handle form actions. When a user submits a form, the servlet processes it, doesn't validation, and calls the necessary DAO method. Jar beans and models in the model layer. DAO class handle database compressions. This keeps logic separated from UI and control flow. Let's talk about HTTP request handling. All form submissions trigger HTTP post request to the appropriate servlet. appropriate servlet. The servlet then validates in the input, interacts with the DAO layer to update the database, and finally redirect back the JSP view. Thank you.